So every healthy pregnancy starts with a healthy body and a healthy mind, a positive mind, a happy mind. And a healthy body starts with having a correct nutrition, organic, pure food, prenatal vitamins, and this is how the body prepares to receive a pregnancy. Now, it is very important to have certain blood tests done early in pregnancy to know that the pregnancy is located in the right place and is growing the way it should. There are certain blood tests also which tell whether there are any mineral deficiencies, any anemia, any hormonal imbalances, any thyroid or sugar issues, so that if they are detected early, they can be rectified. Now, women should know that if they have any distressing symptoms such as severe pain or abnormal discharge such as brown or bleeding or spotting, they must report to their doctor so that can be treated and sorted out.
And ma'am, what do you think about birthing process?
So, to have a positive and a satisfactory birthing experience is every woman's right and expectation. But to have such an experience, having a good birthing experience does not necessarily mean that you should have a normal delivery. You may have to have C-section in certain conditions where it is not safe for the baby to be born normally and safer for the baby and the mother for having a C-section. But even under those conditions, you can have a very positive birthing experience by having a skin-to-skin with your baby after the baby is delivered and by breastfeeding early. Now, post-delivery, you've had 9 months of enormous changes in your body and mind, and those were appropriate for when you were pregnant. And now that you have delivered, it's time to get back to normal. So, of course, the focus is on good breastfeeding and happy breastfeeding, and then also getting your body back to normal by eating right, not eating too much or too little, but eating nutritious food which makes good breast milk and does not make you put on weight, but rather help you to get back to your pre-pregnancy weight. Then postnatal exercise are of utmost importance, and one must never be too busy to do that. And so when to have a heavy, every woman is entitled to a memorable and a positive birthing experience. And to achieve such an experience, one has to prepare one's body and mind. So you prepare your mind by getting the correct information and educating yourself. And you prepare your body by doing the exercises that make your body strong and flexible, and also you have the correct nutrition. You do not put on too much weight, and you should not eat for two, but you should eat a healthy, balanced meals and stay away from junk food, stay away from infections, so that then your pregnancy goes smoothly and then your body is all set to have a good, safe, normal delivery. Get back to your pre-pregnancy weight, and health is very important. It's important for you mentally as well as physically. So you must do your postnatal exercises. Never be too busy to do those exercises. Spend some time, some me time where you're all by yourself, maybe meditating, and give yourself time to sleep and to rest. Also, do not forget to take your supplements. It's very important to take your calcium, your multivitamins, your omega, and your iron, so that your skin and bones and hair are back to their normal condition. And here's wishing you all a happy and a safe motherhood. Thank you.
Dr. Urvashi has been like a rock throughout both my pregnancies. With her, you know that you're in really, really good hands, and she has such a calming impact on anyone. Whenever you're anxious with anything that's been going on throughout your pregnancies, you just know that she just has the ability to calm you down, to put things in perspective, and you are just, in really solid hands. I have 2 under 2s, so obviously some days are better than the others, but as a new mom, I think it's important to just sort of hold on to the feeling that this phase isn't going to last forever. Your kids are going to grow up, and whenever you can, to just stop and really sort of take in the present moment and just remember that they're not going to be so little and all the time. So yeah. So I've had 2 back-to-back pregnancies, one of them in the pandemic world. There have been challenging days, but I think with a good doctor by your side, you just know that you're in good hands and things are going to be fine. You're going to be taken good care of. And I think that's a very important aspect of your pregnancy, to make sure that you have a good doctor whom you can put your faith in.